Hello guys, this is Mornings with Artificial Intelligence and Data Monetization. This video is inspired by my recent post on LinkedIn that is about how business analytics can grow your business. So if you want to read the whole piece, you can find it on my LinkedIn profile, but also on rxcusa.com in the blog section. One thing in this article is very important. Not everybody needs to be advanced in business analytics. Sometimes you might get an impression reading online that you need to have a big data or artificial intelligence or data monetization. And in fact, you don't have to do that all the time. Many problems can be solved, business problems, without artificial intelligence, and machine learning uses simple statistics, mathematics, or econometry, depends on the nature of the problem. But in this video, I would like to tell you why is that. Not every company needs to have a specific type of data analytics. And basically, we have 4 different types of data analytics. First one is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics, it's to make better prediction about future events and based on historical data. And I would put it this way: if you need to make better prediction and you have a lot of the historical data, descriptive analytics is for you. Another thing, and I'm looking here on my notes, would be a situation when you want to understand why something happened, but analyzing your historical data. This one is called diagnostic analytics. The third way you want to make sure that you handle properly is you want to predict what will happen in the future, but analyzing data from the past. This is predictive analytics. Sometimes you can hear about predictive maintenance or predicting the churn. The last type of data analytics is situation, and looking at my notes again, when you want to predict and recommend, which is called prescriptive analytics. Depends on what kind of business goals you want to achieve. You can describe the future better, which is descriptive analytics. You might want to think out about what will happen. But if you want to predict that in a data-driven way, it would be predictive way, different goal. If you want to make sure that you give a better recommendation, that's what it's called the prescriptive analytics. And then the last type is something in the middle, like diagnostic. You want to make sure that you understand why the machine broken or why the customer left, which is diagnostic analytics. And why I said in the beginning that not every company needs to have AI, ML, data monetization, it's because different companies have different goals in the different business units or processes. So eventually they use different types of data analytics. So ask yourself a question: what my goal is and what kind of data analytics I need. If you want to read more about it, I would encourage you considering going to rxcusa.com and read the whole piece about it. Enjoy your day, and I hope to see you soon in the next Mornings with AI and Data Monetization. Take care. Bye-bye.